In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Smartsheet template so you can save time and reuse the same structure for future projects. First, sign in to Smartsheet and go to your home page or workspace. Next, click the Create button and select Browse Templates to explore the available template library. Use the search bar to find a template that closely matches your workflow, such as a project plan, client tracker, task tracker, or inventory sheet. Once you've found a template you like, open it and review the structure, columns, forms, reports, and dashboards included. Now, customize the template to fit your needs. You can rename columns, add new fields, remove unnecessary sections, and adjust formulas or automation workflows. If the template includes a dashboard, update it with your own branding, widgets, charts, or project metrics. Continue modifying the sheet until it matches the process you want to use repeatedly. Review everything carefully to make sure the layout, fields, and workflows are set up exactly how you want them. Once complete, save the sheet and use it as the foundation for future projects instead of rebuilding the same setup from scratch each time. Using templates helps standardize processes, improve consistency, and significantly reduce project setup time. That's it, you've successfully created and customized a Smartsheet template. Thanks for watching.